Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Foods are fun. I'm eating breakfast. Okay, I just made a simple breakfast here. This salad you see here is from my balcony garden, right? So the tomatoes and the lettuce is from my garden, guys. And then the herbs here and the eggs is from my garden. This is chives, Italian oregano, parsley, basil. Uh, I just mix like more than 5 herbs, and then put them here in my egg. So this is just a simple breakfast for me, right? And then bacon. Just a simple breakfast, the comfort of your home. Yeah, just a simple breakfast. And then I'm going to sprinkle, like drizzle over balsamic vinegar over the salad. Yeah, that's balsamic vinegar. Simple, 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 simple. I don't want sausage. I was thinking, like, should I put the sausage? I don't want the sausage. I just want like an easy thing. Yep. So that's it for my breakfast. See you guys. Don't forget to like this channel, the video, and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, have a nice day.